Hi everyone, this is going to be a short demo of my Arduino based Euclidean rhythm generator module, which we see right here. So Euclidean rhythms are rhythms which are generated by equally distributing a number of notes over a certain length of a sequence. So what we see here is 4 channels, so 4 circles, 4 channels of a maximum length of 16 steps. And on those steps we're going to equally distribute a number of nodes, and this equal distribution, that's what's given to us by this Euclidean algorithm, which is running on the Arduino behind this. So for each sequence we can adjust the number of notes that will be playing on it, and this is done by just twisting the encoder which is in the middle of each channel, and you can see that this increases or decreasing the number of LEDs lighting up on that sequence. Aside from just changing the number of nodes, I can also rotate the entire pattern. That's done by pressing down on the encoder and then twisting it, so you can see that it rotates the entire pattern. We can also set the sequence length for each channel individually, so this allows for polyrhythms, should you so desire. Adjusting the sequence length is done by pressing down on the encoder, releasing it, and now you can see that the LEDs light up. I can set a new length, press down again to confirm it. So the controls are pretty simple. Then, of course, on the top here there's the clock input. This module will only run on an external clock. I didn't put an internal clock in it. And here on the bottom you can see a reset input and a button. In case you are using polyrhythms, this can be used to resync all of the channels by setting the next step to the first step for all 4 channels. Okay, so I say we do a little demonstration. I don't have any dedicated drum modules in my system, so I just patched up some sounds. On the first channel over here, we're going to put a little bit of a bass drummy sound. So this is just a triangle wave with a decaying envelope on the pitch and on the VCA. Then on the second channel, I've put some white noise and put that through a resonant high-pass filter. So this gives me this sort of sound. Okay. And then on the last channel over here, so the third channel, I've taken a pulse wave and I have ring modulated that through the sonic multiplier over here with a sine wave to give us some weird metallic-y sounds. And as you can hear, I put an LFO on the sine frequency just to give it some movement. Okay, I will reset all the sequences, and let's put in a clock signal and let's hear what this sounds like. Okay, plugged in the clock, and you can see that all the circles started running here. So let's build up a rhythm. And so we start off keeping it fairly standard by just making 4 on the floor in that bass drum over there. Then let's bring in some of that noise. So as you can see, this is a very hands-on module, very simple controls, and you can very easily start generating some very interesting patterns with this module. So I hope you enjoy this.